So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can create a new TikTok account. For that purpose, you have to first of all open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, you have to go to this search button and type in here TikTok and hit the search button. And when this TikTok app appears up, you have to tap on it and you have to first of all download the TikTok application. As I've already downloaded it, so I'm gonna open it. So after downloading the TikTok application, you have to open it. Then this interface will be appeared up for you. From this section, you have to select this sign up button available at the bottom of the screen. So tap on sign up. Here it will ask you for your phone number. If you want to create your TikTok account on your phone number, you can type in your phone number here. There are also other options here. You can create your account on your email address, or if you have a Facebook account, you can go with this option, or you can also create your TikTok account based on your Apple ID. Same is the case with Google. If you want to create your account using these third-party medias, you can simply tap on these options. It will ask you for the login of your account and your TikTok account will be created. But let's consider that we want to create our account using our phone number or email. For example, let's go with email, and you have to type in your email address here in this box. After typing in your email address, you may be asked to enter a code which is sent to your email address. You have to copy paste that code here, and then this page will be appeared up. I was not asked to enter that code because I have already signed in that email address in my phone. So if you too have the same email address logged into your phone which you are providing here, you may not be asked to enter the code. So after that, you will be asked to create a new password. So you have to create a strong password based on characters, numbers, and also a special character. So after typing in the password, you have to press the next button and it will ask you for the birthday. After entering the birthday, you have to press the next button and it will ask you for your name. It can be your nickname or your full name too. For example, if my name is Cristino, so I have to enter it and confirm, and my TikTok account will be created. Here you can see I have also received an email from TikTok which is asking me to confirm my email address. So as soon as I confirm creating my account, here I have successfully created my TikTok account, and after that I have to open up that email and tap on this verify your email address button, and you can open it with any browser. Now my email address has also been confirmed and my TikTok account has been created. Now if you want to change your username, you have to tap on this edit profile button. You can always change your name or username from this section. If you want someone to find your account, you have to provide this username to that person and he can search you using this. And now you can simply go to this home section for scrolling. Here you go. Now if you want to post something on TikTok, you have to tap on this plus button. Your camera will be opened. You can capture a video from here, or you can upload something from your gallery by going into this option. Now if you want to know that how you can deactivate or delete your TikTok account, here's a quick video tutorial in the end screen. Go watch out that video. I'll be waiting for you in that video there. Thank you so much.